Hey guys, this is Esther with Influx Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable Google Fonts. So first I'm going to show you guys what fonts we have right now. So we're just going to add a new page. I'm just going to choose a build from scratch one, just to show you guys. So right now there's only 6 fonts. So we're going to go back into the dashboard, and then you're going to go to Divi Theme settings and then click on theme options. Then where it says use Google Fonts, you're just going to click on it, make sure it's blue, and then save your changes. Now when we go back to add a new page, again I'm going to go on build from scratch. So as you can see here, there's a ton more different fonts that you can choose from. And make sure you hover over it to see how it looks, just because it doesn't show you unless you hover over it. So there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.